All right. Let me quickly begin with the attendance first. All right, today is 15th of October. Time is flying.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my mother's birthday.
Oh, mother's birthday. Okay, we'll wish her tomorrow. All right, let's begin. Let's take attendance. Okay, today, you know when I take your attendance, when I take your name, you have to tell me something. Okay. Name one food item. Okay, now this is like your attendance that I'm taking. So I need you to do this. So every time I take your name for your attendance, you need to tell me one food item that you can survive eating throughout your life if you've given an option. Okay, so if I tell you you have to eat only one thing throughout your life, you should be fine and happy with eating that one thing throughout your life. What is that food like? Okay, and you can't eat anything else. Huh? It has to be only that. All right, think about it while I take the attendance. Okay, to begin, Harsh. Tell me, Harsh, quickly. Let's not waste time. Huh?
Roti and dal sabji.
Roti dal sabzi.
Roti and
Lovely.
sabji.
Okay. Okay, Jennifer.
Paneer chili dry noodles.
Wow. Anvesha. I'm hungry.
But
Yes, Anvesha.
chicken noodles.
Oh my God. Hey, only
Butter
one, huh?
chicken.
Okay, Anvesha is present. Ishan. You'll be like, ma'am, I'm hungry already. Yes, Ishan, tell me what?
Ma'am, roti, sabji and paratha.
Hey, only one, yeah.
Ma'am, roti, sabji.
Okay. Only one, I said. Roti sabzi is not one. Roti sabzi is technically two.
Ma'am, paratha,
Okay.
aloo ka paratha.
Aloo paratha, yummy. Okay. Okay, Preetha, that is okay. I am not able to join because of some network issues. No worries, Preetha, that's fine. Check the recordings later. Pranshi, come on, tell me.
Ma'am, gobi ka paratha.
Wow, yummy. Dhruv,
Ma'am, cheese bus pizza.
pizza throughout your life? Nothing else?
Not possible. Pizza is
Okay.
like so
Possible
easy.
for Dhruv. All right, Kamil. Quickly tell me, Kamil.
You like puke it out.
Paneer.
Do not speak out of turn. Kamil.
Paneer.
Paneer. Krishiv, put on your videos quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone put on your videos quickly. Krishiv, tell me
Ma'am,
fast.
salad.
Salad? Oh, healthy people here. Arush. Arush, hurry up. You don't tell me I'm not marking you present. Are you there, Arush? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, he's in chat.
Okay, so he's probably not able to hear us.
Dosa ka combo.
Okay. Okay, Arsh. Come on, Arsh.
Ma'am, chicken spring roll.
Yummy. Shravani.
Rice. Rice.
Rice.
Yeah.
Okay. Ria.
Ma'am, I'll eat chicken biryani.
Okay. All right. So today we have Harsh, Jennifer, Anvesha, Ishan, Pranshi, Dhruv, Kamal, Krishiv, Arush, Shravani, Ria. All right. Perfect. Let's
Yes.
get started. Before we begin the class today, I want you all to close your eyes, unmute yourself, and put your videos on quickly. Everyone, unmute yourself and put your videos on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Everyone. If you have some network issues, I can understand. But it'll be really nice to see your beautiful faces. Okay, Arish, you remove that background. We don't need the background now. I can't see you. Seeing you is more important to me than the background. Okay. Dhruv, Arsh, Chahai, quickly put on your videos. I need to see you all. Hurry up, hurry up. We've got something interesting to do. All right. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, everyone. All right. So you're going to close your eyes. Okay. Sit straight, back straight, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Arush, I am sorry, but you cannot eat during the class. You have to finish it before the class or after the class. You can't eat while you're having a breakfast. All right, sit straight. Okay, now you have to repeat after me. Close your eyes, sit calmly. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes quickly. Close your eyes, please. Don't doze off to sleep. Huh? Take deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Keep your minds blank. Krishiv, close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed, mind blank. Do not think about anything. Just keep breathing. Try to feel the breathe. Be calm. Keep breathing. And now repeat after me. Close your eyes, keep breathing and repeat after me. Loudly you have to say this. I am strong.
I am
I
strong.
am
I
strong.
am
I am strong.
Your strong should sound strong. Your sound should is strong, sounding weak. It should be
I
like
am
I
strong.
am
I
strong.
am
I
strong.
am strong.
I am
I am
strong.
strong.
I am fearless.
I am
I
Fearless.
am
fearless.
Fearless.
I am wise.
I
I
am
am
wise.
I am
Wise.
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 I am
I am
wise.
proud of myself.
I am
I
proud
am
of
I
I
am
am
proud
Proud
of
of
proud
myself.
of
myself.
myself.
All right.
I
Now
am
slowly
proud of
open your eyes.
myself.
Yes, you should be. All right. So now open your eyes, sit calmly. Okay, sit straight. Now today what we are going, now mute yourself, please. Everyone mute yourself. Quickly mute yourself. Okay. Today we are going to do question tags. Okay. All right. Today we are going to learn what are question tags, and we are going to do a quick revision actually because we've been learning all these years. So we're going to do a quick revision of what are question tags and why they are used, what are the rules of it, how do we create question tags, and we're going to solve an exercise, a very short and a quick exercise. Okay. Now, while I do that, yes, Harsh, you have any problem? What happened? You want to say something?
I was making question mark with my hand.
Okay. So mute yourself. I hope you're sitting with a book and a pen because you'll be needing one, or a Word file will also do, whatever is convenient to you all. Now I'm going to share a file, share a photo with you and then go on explaining. Okay, so we are going to do question tags. Now, what are question tags? Okay, so a question tag is actually a grammatical structure, okay, in which a statement, a proper normal statement is turned into a question statement by adding an interrogative phase. How? I will show you. Okay, now why do we add the question tag? Okay, for example, you will have a simple independent statement. Okay, but I want to turn that statement into a question statement, so I will add a question tag. Now question tag is maybe maybe just a few words and a question mark. Now when I put these question tags, the statement will get converted into a question statement. Okay, and why do I put that? I will put a question tag when I have to check on something. Okay, when I want to confirm that if it is the truth. I know, for example, Ishan is going to London. All right, it is a positive statement. Ishan is going to London. It is a positive statement and it is an independent statement. If I put a full stop, I will understand what it means. Okay, but now I want to confirm if he's really going, so I will add a question tag. For example, Ishan is going to London, isn't he? I will put a comma. I will write, isn't he? So when I put a question tag, I'm confirming that, isn't he like really going or not? What is it? Okay. So it is given to agree on something or to confirm something. And when I put a question tag, a statement is turned into a question statement. How? I will show you. Now I am sharing a picture with you so that you understand better. All right. Now, can you see this? Can you see the page?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Just give me a minute. I will use my marker. Where is it?
Ma'am, what is the topic?
All right. So now question tag is the topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now see this. A question tag is a small question at the end of the statement. Question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. Now see this. You are a student, aren't you? You are a student, aren't you? Now here, till this, you are a student. Okay. It is an independent statement. It is a positive. Why? Because I'm using a positive word are over here. You are a student. Okay. Now I want to confirm, are you really a student, or are you a teacher, or are you something else? Who are you? Okay. So I will add a question tag, negative question tag. Okay. Why? Because my statement was positive. So my question tag is going to be negative, and that is aren't you. Now, if my statement is negative, Mary isn't a teacher. Now, this word isn't, is not, is a negative word. Okay, it is a negative statement. Now, because my statement is negative, my question tag is going to be positive. Is she? Okay, so when I add words like aren't you and is she, what happens is my statement becomes a question statement. Okay, it becomes a question statement. I'll show you something else also. Wait. Make notes. If you have a book or something, make notes. All right, now check this one. A positive statement, now these are the rules, okay? A positive statement is followed by a negative tag. Always remember. And a negative statement is always followed by a positive tag. Okay, so it is opposite. If my statement is positive, my tag will be negative. If my statement is negative, my tag will be positive. For example, Ishan is going to London. Positive statement. I want to confirm. I will add a negative tag. Isn't he? Okay, isn't is a negative word. Now then, negative statement. Preetha is not doing her work. Okay, Preetha is not doing her work. So this word not is a negative thing. Okay, so my statement has become negative. Now I want to confirm. So I will add a positive tag. Preetha is not doing her work. Is she? Okay, is she is a negative. Oh, sorry, it is a positive. So for a negative statement, I'm adding a positive tag. Now the tense will not change. Okay, the tense will always remain same. If in the positive statement is this a present tense, the tag will always be followed by a positive one, present one only. Okay. Now the statement and the tag are always separated by a comma. Ishan is going to London, comma. Isn't he? Question mark. So you should not forget this comma. It is very, very important. Okay. I will show you a few examples more. Okay. Check this one. Can you see this? Now, when we solve a few examples, you will understand it better. They are British, aren't they? Okay. They are British, aren't they? Okay. Now, they are British is a positive statement. Now, I don't know whether they are really. So, aren't they? That is are not. Okay. That is a short form of aren't they. Now, this is a negative statement. Okay. A negative tag. So, all these are negative tags.
Tag, yeah.
And all these are the positive statement. Okay. Now, aren't they, isn't he, haven't they? So that is are not, is not, have not, will not, were not, was not, had not. Okay. So these are negative words. So my positive statement will have negative tags. Now, if you see, there is always a comma everywhere. Okay. There is a comma here. Everywhere there is a comma after the positive statement ends, which is very important. Okay. And there is always a question mark here. So you have to remember these punctuation. Okay. So you have a positive statement, a comma, and a negative tag with a question mark. Now, what are these tags? These tags are negative. They are making a positive statement into a question mark. So see, for example, if we don't have this, imagine, okay, they are British. They are British. He is studying architecture. They're independent statements. Okay. Now, if I only have to say they are British, okay, I will not put a comma. I will put a full stop instead. He is studying architecture, full stop. Jack and Susan have moved, full stop. You will come to the party, full stop. But because we have the negative tags here, these tags are converting the positive statements into a question statement. Okay, that is the reason we put question marks everywhere. And we replace the full stop with a comma over here. Clear? Now see, they are British, aren't they? Positive, negative. He is studying architecture. Okay, a positive statement where no negative words are there. Now I will add a negative tag. Isn't he?
Ma'am,
Huh.
if a statement is without a question tag, so it's an independent statement.
Yes. Right. Now see, he is studying architecture. It's an independent statement. Now I will ask you to add a tag. Now, because the statement is positive, you will add a negative tag. Isn't he? Okay. Now, Jennifer, read the third one.
Jack and Susan have moved, haven't they?
Okay, this is a Jack and Susan have moved. This is a positive statement. What is the negative tag?
Haven't they?
Yes, so haven't they is the tag which is negative. And why negative? Because my statement is positive. Okay. Come on, Pranshi, read the fourth one.
You will come to the party.
How? What is the statement?
You will come to the party.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, and what is the negative here?
Won't you?
Won't you is the negative. All right. Next, Krishiv.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
I'll read. You
this
were
one.
at school on Friday.
You
Weren't
were.
you?
You were.
Oh, yeah, you were at school on Friday. Weren't you? So, ma'am,
Weren't you? Weren't you? Huh?
weren't you?
Tell me.
Ma'am, the you were at school on Friday is the positive one, and weren't you is the negative one.
And it is weren't you. It is not weren't. Okay. Don't
Okay.
roll your R. And why, Krishiv, I have used a negative tag? Because my statement is
Positive.
very good. All right. Lovely. Next, I want Arsh to answer this one. Where is Arsh? Arsh, answer this one.
Yes, ma'am. Which one?
I've highlighted. See?
David was working on the project, wasn't he? The positive one is David was working on the project, and the negative one is wasn't he?
Yes, right. Why I have used a negative tag, Arsh?
Because the statement is positive.
Very good. Okay, Ria, the last one.
Yes, ma'am. You had lived in London before, hadn't you? Ma'am,
Okay, now see, this is what is the tense over here, Ria?
a past tense.
Which word tells you it's a past tense?
Had lived
Very
before.
good. And that is the reason Ria said, hadn't you? Okay, the tense is not changed. All right, you had lived in London before. Positive statement. I'm adding a question tag, hadn't you? Okay, now I'm going to show you some more and you are going to read it yourself. Wait. Okay, so come on. One by one, you have to read it and you have to tell me what is the positive statement, what is the negative, and why it is negative. And you have to tell me everything. Okay? Chalo, let's begin with Jennifer, the first one. Jennifer?
Yes, ma'am. Your name is Pedro, Isn't it? Your
What is
name is
the...
Pedro
Mhm.
is the
Sorry, go on.
positive statement, and isn't it is the negative tag.
Hmm. And why have I used a negative tag?
Ma'am, because the statement is positive.
Okay, and what does the tag do? The tag is making the statement into a what kind
Question
of
statement.
Very good. All right. Next, Harsh. This one.
Yes, ma'am. You live downstairs, don't you? So you live downstairs is the positive one. I mean the independent, and don't you is the like the question thing. I
What
mean
is it?
negative
Positive or
thing.
negative? Negative. And why I have used a
Negative.
negative tag here? Why is the tag negative? Because can't hear you. Harsh. Okay, we have used and looks like we've lost him somehow. Okay, so we are using a negative tag because the statement is positive. All right, chalo Dhruv, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
She studied biology, didn't she?
Hmm?
She studied biology is a positive, and didn't she is a negative?
And what is the question tag here?
Didn't she?
Okay, and why my question tag is negative?
Because the sentence was positive.
Okay, very good. All right, now I want Shravani to read this one, the one that I've highlighted.
She's never late, is she?
Hmm? Explain.
So she's never late is a positive one, and is she is a negative.
Is she is a negative? What is the word never? Never is a negative word.
Yeah, never. She's never late is a negative one. Is she
So
is a
my question tag is yes. That is the reason my question tag is positive. All right, Ria, the next one. This one.
Okay. You didn't live here, do you?
Read it. What
Yeah,
I've written. Is it didn't or is it don't?
It's don't, ma'am.
Hmm.
You
Read it
don't
again.
live here, do you?
Explain.
You don't live here
Hmm.
is positive. I mean negative.
Hmm.
Positive, negative. And do
What
you
makes you say it is negative? What makes you say it is negative?
because he's using the person is using you don't live here. He's saying
What is the negative word here?
don't.
Yeah, correct. So why are you being so not confident about it? Don't is a negative word.
Because everyone in the thing, I can see their faces like he's studying wrong.
You have to be confident about yourself, Ria. Don't look at others' faces. You have to be confident about yourself. You don't live here, do you? So you don't live here, this part. Oh, I'm sorry. You don't live here. This is a negative statement. And that is the reason your question tag is positive. Chalo, Ria, do the next one also.
Okay. You weren't joking, were you? Ma'am, this is the you weren't joking is negative because weren't is
Good.
written and were you is positive.
And why have I used a positive question tag?
Because the question
Opposites,
was negative.
opposite. Very good. Simple. Lovely. Okay. Kamil, let me hear
Can I
you.
try? Can I try?
Yes, Shreya.
Which one, ma'am?
Okay, Kamil is, wait, Shreya. Kamil is going to do this one, the one I've highlighted, Kamil.
No.
Okay.
You've
And
done, yes.
Shreya, you are going to do this one. Come on, Kamil, begin.
You've done this before, haven't you?
you have done this before is positive and haven't you is negative.
Okay, and why
A
my tag is
negative
negative?
tag is used because the positive is because the you don't have this before sentence is positive.
Very nice. Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. You haven't finished yet, have you? Ma'am, haven't is negative and have you is positive.
And why have I used a positive tag? Because?
Ma'am, because the haven't is a negative.
And the
Negative.
statement, so haven't makes the statement a?
Negative. Negative.
Yes, very good. Yes, lovely, good.
Can I say?
Okay, Krishiv. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Which one, ma'am?
I'll highlight it. This one.
He had been in the war, hadn't he? So, ma'am,
Okay, he had.
Had been in the war is the positive statement, and hadn't he is the negative.
Okay, so why have I used a negative tag?
Ma'am, because he had been in the war is a positive statement.
Okay, and lovely, good. Yes, who
Ma'am,
else
I
is
have a
left?
doubt.
Can I do
Yes,
it?
Shreya.
Can I
Preetha,
do it?
Yes, Shreya, who had a doubt?
Preetha, can I?
Wait. First doubt.
Ma'am, I had a doubt. Ma'am, is it any sentence that both are negative?
No, that is not the rule. Okay, so the rule is if my statement is positive, my tag will be negative. If my statement is negative, my tag will be positive. Okay, so that is the
So
reason.
there is never
No,
okay,
can't be.
ma'am.
That's
They're
not a
not
rule.
negative and no.
Yeah, see, opposites. Remember that opposites attract. Okay, so see here. She studied biology. Positive, and the tag is didn't she? Negative. And here they didn't know. Negative. Did they? Positive. So it's always positive. Sorry, opposites.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Disconnected.
Yes. Next. Who is it?
Can
Preetha.
I?
Yes, Preetha. I thought you left the call. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, I
The
did
last one.
first.
The last one.
Okay. You shouldn't be here, should you? You shouldn't be here is a negative statement and should you is a positive statement, positive tag.
Lovely. Okay, great. Now what we're going to do is, wait. I'm going to give you an exercise. You have to solve it right now, where you write only the answers. Okay, remember the rules. I'm saying it again. Positive statement will have negative tags and negative statements will have positive tags. The statement and the tag will always be separated with a comma. Okay, the question tag makes the statement a question statement. So it will always be followed by a question mark. Okay, now I'm about to share with you all an exercise.
Ma'am, in the notebook?
Yeah, you just write the answers and we'll discuss it super quick.
Fine, okay.
Notebook or your Word, whatever you have with you. Okay, so I'm just forwarding you 10 sentences wherein you have to choose the correct one and write only the answer. Okay, so you write answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. That's it, simply, so that we get some time to discuss it. All right, it's in the chat box. So just write answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, whatever it is. You have only 2 minutes. Come on, fast. It is super easy. One word answer. Fast. Remember, if it is positive, make it negative. If it is negative, make it positive. Finished?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, just a
After you
second.
write the answer, read the sentence and see if it matches. Positive, negative, negative, positive. Only the answer. Trisha, finished?
No, ma'am, I'm on the fourth last one.
Chalo, do it, do it, do it. Preetha, did you understand? Because you joined late.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Sure, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who didn't? After the class is over, you'll find a exercise on Flint for solving. Do it. We'll discuss the answers in the session tomorrow.
Ma'am, I'm a bit confused in the third one.
Okay, wait, I'll just read it. Let's go for a walk. It is a positive one.
Yeah.
So the tag has to be negative.
Oh, okay, okay.
Break the short forms.
Ma'am, done.
Shravani is done. Anvesha is done. Who's done?
Done, ma'am.
Lovely. 2 minutes. Very good. Quickly,
Ma'am, I
fast,
did it.
fast, fast. Come on, let's discuss the answers. 1 minute more, I'll give you. Others, hurry up.
I'm done.
Are you missing school? Are you missing school or you're liking this virtual thing?
No, ma'am.
I am missing school.
I am missing
Ma'am,
I
both
like this.
together.
Oh, I'm missing school too.
I get to sleep
And
much.
there are some advantages and some disadvantages also.
Yeah, but it's always good, na? Going to school, having
Yes,
fun.
yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am. That's much better.
Done.
According to me.
All right, chalo, finished? Pranshi finished? Chalo, Pranshi, tell me the first answer.
Yes,
Come on.
ma'am.
Read the full sentence and then tell me your answer.
He's still sleeping, isn't he?
Very good. That was Pranshi? Pranshi, your voice, you're sounding different today. Okay, correct answer. Isn't he? Arsh, next answer.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes. I'll remove the question. 2 minutes. Yes. You do go to school, don't you?
Very good. Positive and negative. Very nice. Don't you? Jennifer, the third one.
Let's go for a walk. Shan't we?
Shan't we? Shan't is shall not. Okay. Shan't is shall not we. So positive and negative. All right. Harsh, next one.
We won't be late. Will we?
Very good. All right. Krishiv, next.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second. Is it? Yeah, the fifth one.
Fifth one. Yes.
Nobody called, didn't they?
No, nobody called.
Did they?
Nobody is a
Oh,
negative.
Did they?
Did they? Yeah,
Did
sorry.
they?
So nobody is a negative. So your answer, the tag will be positive. Did they?
Ma'am, it is didn't they, right?
It's did they.
No, baby. See na, nobody called. Nobody is a negative term. So your positive tag will be did they.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay, Preetha, next.
They will wash the car. Wouldn't they?
No. Tense.
Shouldn't we?
Tense.
Ma'am,
Look at the tense.
Ma'am, shouldn't we? Shouldn't we?
Ma'am, won't
They
they?
will wash
Won't
the car.
They, won't they?
It's
Why
won't they.
won't they? Won't they?
Wait.
Won't they?
They
Won't
will
they?
wash the car, won't they? Okay,
Yes.
look at the tense. Present tense. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Preetha, understood.
Ma'am,
Will
can
is
I
a present
say?
tense, na?
Yes.
Preetha.
Wait, I
So
don't
we will
wouldn't
not-
they?
So we are not changing the tense. The tenses won't change.
Okay, okay.
Okay. All right. Now, Shreya, the next one, seventh one.
We must lock the doors, mustn't we?
Very good. All right. Who is left? Kamil, 8th one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ria is left.
We are right, aren't we?
Very good. Ria, 9th one.
Yeah. Okay. So you brought a
And
car.
Nisha is also left.
So
Ma'am,
you
me
bought
also
a
left.
car.
I
Ma'am,
am
they are
also left.
getting chance again and again.
Ma'am, I am not
Can
getting a chance.
can we have some patience here? Ria is talking.
Yes.
Ria.
Okay. Huh. So you bought a car, haven't you?
Very good. Arush, 10th one.
You wouldn't like to invite my sister, would you?
Very good. Lovely. So that was correct. Looks like you got it. Now, okay, Ishan, tomorrow we'll have some more sentences and I'll ask you. I'll begin with you. Remind me tomorrow. Okay. All right. So on that note, we end the class. You will find a few sentences on Flint. Please do that. And we will discuss the answers in tomorrow's session and we'll begin with Ishan. Okay, Ishan?
Bye,
All
ma'am.
right. Then I'll see you
Okay, ma'am.
tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Have a
Chalo,
good day, ma'am.
boss.